My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new browser hijacking extension that is called Watch It. Watch It is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser, and the developers of this extension indicate that it is the best browser extension for finding movies and TV shows. However, this particular extension may also function as a browser hijacker. Once installed, it may change a lot of crucial browser settings, and also it may periodically function as adware. It may show a lot of advertisements not related to the site that you visit. So if you add this extension to the Google Chrome browser, you may start experiencing such redirection issues periodically. You might submit some search queries and then realize that the results would be delivered by some other search engine, even if they are not redirected through other search engines. It still may periodically happen. Also, as I said, you may start facing some ads and they are not really decent. It all could happen because of this extension. So you need to deactivate and delete this extension as soon as possible. In your Chrome browser, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove this extension completely from the browser. We also recommend that you additionally research your system with the help of reliable antivirus software, and we recommend you to do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.